Today we will be assembling the Winsome Daniel Nightstand, which has 3 drawers, and this is black in color. The packaging is decent but the box is very heavy, so make sure you have help. The items needed for this assembling is either a knife or a scissor to cut open the packaging. Apart from that, you will be needing a screwdriver. Even this package comes with a screwdriver, like it's a small one. So this box comes up with a number of planks of different sizes and also of different widths, and it comes with a set of screws and wooden pieces, and this is the screwdriver I was talking about. It also comes with a manual, and here everything is mentioned. It's just that all the pieces look very similar, like the big ones. You have to just see very carefully through the manual and figure out which is which part, because see, most of them have holes on all the 4 corners, but different pieces have holes at different places as well. So you have to make sure that you take up the right piece from the paper, from the manual, and it also comes up with 4 stands. So one thing which is important is you must, while you're opening the packet, calculate and see if all the pieces are present, because I've read reviews on Amazon where people are saying that there are missing parts and stuff, and you don't want that because returning is going to be a very big hassle. So we have to start with fixing the left panel and 2 of the middle panels. So we have E. So this is the strip we are looking for, and we're going to face it towards the throat.
So these are clam locks, but we are calling them clam chowder for easy reference. I don't know how that makes it easy, but that's what we are calling it. We're going to name all of these pieces something after our friends in Bangalore. These are Sagar.
Hi Sagar.
These are Sam.
Pass me 4 clam chowders. I'm going to put it in these. So we are fixing the Sagars and the Sams onto one of the side panels, and now we'll be adding the shells. So we have to place in such a way that all the 4 pins get into the 4 holes, and then we will be fixing the Sagars with the clam chowders so that they are tight. These 2 come together and then we tighten accordingly. So make sure that the plus minus side is towards the hole on the plank. So while it comes like this, it goes directly through the hole, it reaches the opening side. And also make sure you do not lose any of the pins. Be very careful with them because they're just exactly the number you want to use. While you're making that, I will make the drawers. We need 4 panels. There are 12 of them. This is the back panel. Good way to understand is that it doesn't have any holes on the surface, just on the sides. And then there's the front panel. The good thing about the front panel is there's a hole on the. Hey, I built the first shelf, like the first drawer. So the top panel is ready, and now we're going to fix it. This is the back panel. This is the front panel. the table without the drawers. I have the drawer in front of me, and I am going to put it in the shelf. And there goes the last drawer.
Where's the last Sam? It goes the last Sam.
So this is the full nightstand, ready with 3 drawers. Now we'll put it beside the bed. Thanks for watching, and I hope if you guys are buying this product from Amazon, I'll put the link in the description below. This video will be of help to you.